Hello, my name is Johnbethel Ezeugo. I'm an artist, I'm a musician, I'm a fine artist, I'm a theater artist, and recently I've been working on musicals. Currently I'm working on Ezeugo the musical. Initially I wanted to study music because I have so much passion for music. Since childhood I've been doing music from church, primary school, secondary school, and I've been traveling, through states to perform. I wanted to study music, but my parents were like, why not study something else that gives you another knowledge? So I chose theater and film studies. And as I came here, I found purpose. I found something totally different, merging music and drama together, hence the musical. So it's been a whole long journey, and I love the experiences. I've had to perform in so many places, like countless places. Italian embassy, we did diplomatic jazz concerts, Indian High Commission, European Union. I've played in several places, National Youth Summit. So people love my kind of music because I do indigenous music. I do Afro soul, and sometimes I blend jazz with traditional music. So it's something new, and everybody loves it. Currently, I'm working on doing a musical here in school, Ezeugo the musical. It's going to fuse modern band with traditional band, and have actors, dancers, and singers all together to create magic. I'm the president of Theatre and Film Studies, and it's been one hell of an experience, leading the department. But I'm doing my best, and I'm trying to find a way to combine my art, my music, and school, and my business too. But it's been great. It's been a great experience. Okay, I like to do a piece. Giddy giddy boo weze. Giddy giddy boo weze. Enwere akụkọ m ga-akọrọ unu. Gebe ntị n'akụkọ m ga-akọrọ unu. Asị n'ụlọ ga-eju onye nwụrụ anwụ afọ. Oge anaghị eche mmadụ. Come dog agananti, live life and just be happy. Come dog agananti, live life and just be happy. Ezeugo. Yeah, thank you.